Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to unlock with Face without swiping your finger on Samsung S25 Plus. Let's begin. So I have set up before my face recognition. As you can see right now, we have this little lock screen here. And if, well, my phone doesn't really see any face, we'll have to manually type in our password. However, if it does see my face, as you can see, the lock screen has been, a little lock is now unlocked, but you'll still have to swipe in order to actually use your phone. So in order to actually disable it, you have to go to settings. Now that's a spoiler. But yes, you have to manually navigate into lock screen and AOD. And here we go to screen lock and biometrics. We have to confirm our current pattern, or our current password or PIN. And here we go to face recognition. And here we simply disable stay on lock screen until swipe. And if we try that again, I will turn on my phone, and as you can see, I don't have to swipe in any way. It automatically just turns itself on. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. Thanks for watching.